Hello everyone. Are you a hardworking parent, mom, that is looking for ways to be there, present for your kids and provide for your family? Then this video is for you. My name is Tombara. I'm a wife and a mom of my two beautiful daughters. Living here in England, life is so busy that all we do is work. So I was looking for ways to be able to support my family financially and be a present mom for my children. And I searched and searched and searched. I looked at different side hustles and none of them worked. Until now that I realized that the internet is still very young. Everyday people are earning a living from the comfort of their home through this internet. There are different ways you can generate different streams of income right from the comfort of your home. Call it affiliate marketing, digital products, you name it. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products, and while people buy from your affiliate link, you earn a commission. There are high-ticket affiliates where for you to join these affiliates, you have to pay huge investments to join. But do you know what? There are still others that you don't have to pay anything. The Amazon affiliate marketing is free, and you can take opportunity of this from the comfort of your home without paying for anything. All you need is to register for the Amazon Associate Program. There is also the Amazon Influential Program where you can start earning a living. I have been off the camera busy with my family, but the good thing is, while I'm busy with my family, my business is automated, so it's generating income. If you want to know how to start this online business, the step-by-step process of starting this online business, hit that like button, follow me for more tips where you can learn how to start earning commission from the comfort of your home. I am back. Follow me for more tips on how to make money online, and subscribe to my channel for more tips, as I will be showing you how you too can start earning commission right from the comfort of your home. I'm not telling you that this is a get rich quick scheme. You will have to put in the time. All you need is your phone and a Wi-Fi connection, and I'll be able to show you how you too can start earning right from the comfort of your home. You need to invest your time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. So if you're ready to start generating different streams of income from this online space called the internet, follow me for more tips.